What's going on, guys? It's your boy Queen City Bully South Josh. I'm checking in with another video. Y'all can see in the pen, we got a short shit show. It'll be 4 weeks on Monday, and so we're gonna prepare to get them off the mom. What I want to talk about right now is how to prevent urine rashes, boo-boo rashes. And so today we got our bucket of hot water and a sponge, and we're gonna give these puppies a good wipe down. See, this one has a boo-boo stain down her chest, so we just kind of rub them down like this. And as y'all can see, her eyes are blue. I'm just now noticing this, that her eyes are blue. So yeah, just gonna give her a nice little rub down, and it just really serves as a kind of a spa treatment to the puppies. This is the only one that came out this gray complexion. She is available, healthy as an ox. As y'all see in the last segment of the video, I did deworm these puppies again, so everything is coming along as planned. Like I said, very healthy puppy. She is available. So we're gonna place her back in the pen. We're gonna get to the next puppy here. This guy's gonna be staying with my brother. This is the first pick boy here. As y'all can see, he's tanked up. Man, y'all drop a comment on this boy right here, man. Big muscle Spotify head, short and stubby legs. He does enjoy this, though, this warm water on him. And so we just gonna get him a little bath real quick. Y'all can see that one over there. Ooh, she might get out. I'm gonna get her, man. She's the most advanced. But back on him, guys, this is just an amazing little boy. Y'all can see his eyes are wide too. He's got a nice eye spread, nice chest spread, and just an amazing pick of a dog. Productions are producing productions. That's the goal. That's the ultimate goal. And so this is just that right here. And so shout out to Queen City Bullies. This boy gonna do numbers over there with him. Yeah, that's just amazing right now. So next we got this girl here. She is the livest. She probably won't even let me get her a bath. Y'all can see she got a patch on her eye. Adorable puppy, man. Website is www.queencitybullies.com. This girl here happens to be the one with the tattoo tear on her eye. As y'all can tell, man. Beautiful girl. She's gonna wind up turning out to be one of the best kept secrets in this pen. Very active dog. She likes that scrub down. Look at that. She ain't mad at that, y'all. Look at that. Yes, man. As soon as I place them down in this pen, they might just get poopy again on me. So never. Next, what we got? This big head guy here. This boy right here is a beast. This boy right here is a beast, y'all. Big Spotify head. He's short, low to the flow. I'm expecting great things out, buddy, man. All right, guys. Up next, we got the princess. She is actually the runt. She is actually the runt, guys. Big head, full tail. The total package. Ooh, little kitty. But as y'all can tell, she's gonna be a superstar here at Queen City Bully South. Definitely gonna take her to the next level here. Gonna wipe her down in between her. Yeah. We trying to get the boo-boo off. Y'all one more look at her. Just a beautiful, beautiful female, man. Y'all drop a comment. Tell me what y'all think. We got this adorable female, guys. She's ticked up. She's actually the best. She got blue eyes too. Yep, this one got blue eyes too, guys. So y'all drop a comment. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this girl. Yeah, we're trying to get in a bath real quick. So some of them adapt to the water. Some of them don't. Some of them like to be nasty. But you gotta get it, baby. You gotta get it. You gotta get it. So yeah, 3 weeks, y'all. Check the development, man. Check her out, man. Awesome dog. If you would let me get you. If you would let me get you clean. If you would just let me get you for a little bit. So this is the pink collar female. She's very, very ticked up. As you can see, she's gonna be short and compact like the rest of her sisters. She don't like that. We just trying to get it a bath. Yeah, y'all, she is available. Adorable female at 3 weeks. Y'all drop a comment on this beautiful female. She is gonna take somebody's kennel to the next level. All right, this next one, guys, this happens to be one of my favorite, for real. My favorite. This is the purple collar girl. And somehow she keeps slipping out of her collar. But it's cool. This puppy here is available too. Y'all can log onto the website and inquire about her. Y'all can call the number below. We are accepting deposits. Now we got 15 puppies, man. And so when you inbox and say how much, I really need to know specifically what litter, what girl, what boy, if she's available, if not. And so this one got some boo-boo behind her. You know, get that boo-boo out of her ears. She got some boo-boo in her ears. And some of them like this spa treatment. Some of them won't sit still like that lime green collar girl. She a beast. So yeah, y'all can log on to the website about this girl. She is available. This is the purple collar female. And yeah, we're gonna put her back. She's got a little clean up now. So yeah, don't sleep on this, y'all. This won't last long. Last but not least, we got this is the biggest boy. Oh, he's the heaviest boy too. As y'all can see, he got that big tank. And so yeah, look at that chest spread, guys. Look how wide his chest is. Times that big Hulk head. I've been calling him Hulk head. I'm just loving this boy. He is available. Probably the healthiest out of the litter, for sure. We're gonna place him on the scale later. Oh yeah, we gotta get you. We gotta get you clean. www.queencitybullies.com. QCB on Facebook. Grand Champion Spotify puppies, man. Look at him. This is the one, guys. So if he stack like that in the air, just imagine how he gonna stack when you flip him over. Like, very short, compact. Yes, sir. Thick bones, thick structure bone, nice eye spread, big egg head. And so yeah, y'all drop the comment, let me know what y'all think about it.